What is Salah? The Salah
is a special form of worship that
is the second most important
pillar of Islam after the
shahada testimony of faith.
It is an obligatory form of
prayer performed 5 times a day
that was revealed in the Holy Qur'an and taught to us by Prophet
Muhammad, peace be upon him.
There are many verses in the
Holy Qur'an which Allah tells us
about the importance of prayer. Here are 2 such verses. But those who hold fast to the book
and establish prayer, indeed, we will not allow to be lost the
reward of the pious. Quran chapter 7, verse 170. Recite, O Muhammad, what has been revealed to you of the book,
and establish prayer. Indeed, prayer prohibits immorality
and wrongdoing, and the remembrance of Allah is greater, and Allah knows that which you do. Quran chapter 29, verse 45.
The Salah
involves a number of physical movements, standing, bowing, prostrating,
and sitting.
It also involves the recitation of
verses from the Holy Qur'an in
Arabic along with a number of dua supplications.
The Muslim will face the direction of the Kaaba,
the sacred house of Allah in
Makkah, whenever they perform their prayer.
These physical movements, recitations, and supplications are all done to show humility
and submission to Allah.
Thanks for watching.
To watch more, subscribe.